Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to tune your Dodge Charger RT. Tuning can significantly enhance your vehicle's performance, but it requires careful planning. First, understand your car's current capabilities and what you aim to achieve. Researching reputable tuners and quality parts is crucial. Whether you seek more power for the street or better handling for the track, defining your goals guides your modification choices. This foundational step ensures a successful and satisfying tuning journey. Once you know your goals, focus on key modification areas. Engine tuning, often done through an ECU reflash, optimizes power delivery by adjusting air-fuel ratios and ignition timing. Upgrading your exhaust system improves engine breathing and gives your Charger a more aggressive sound. Don't forget suspension modifications. These are vital for enhancing handling, reducing body roll, and improving overall ride quality, making your Charger truly yours. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic book that offers clear, actionable financial wisdom. You can find the link to this book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. While performance gains are exciting, safety must always be your top priority. Always invest in high-quality parts and ensure professional installation to prevent issues. A professional dyno tune is essential for maximizing performance safely and ensuring your engine runs efficiently for years to come. Also, be mindful of local emissions laws and how modifications might affect your vehicle's warranty. Responsible tuning protects both you and your investment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.